Now I'm just down to 91 listings in this area, 91 rooms in this area. And now I got to find out, okay, is this a lower side neighborhood, a middle neighborhood, or a up neighborhood? When I mean by up neighborhood, I mean, is it gated? Is it like a gated community?
Upscale. Mhm.
Yeah, is it upscale? So I would say this is a mid-scale community. Mid-scale community is it's a walkable neighborhood. You know, you ain't got to worry about, it's not a war zone, is what Jim would say, is, you know. And the place is, um it's eye candy, it's appealing. Okay. So we select mid-size, we select that it's a room listing, and now it's gonna tell us, now this is cool, right?